Welcome to our tech troubleshooting session. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many VBA users encounter. Our viewer is experiencing a 1004 error while trying to loop through their macro. Let's dive into the details. So what's the problem? Our viewer is trying to loop through all sheets in their workbook, excluding a specific sheet named Quant Sheet. They want to copy a range from each sheet and paste it into the Quant Sheet. However, they're running into a 1004 error during this process.
Welcome back to another technical video. We're going to go through the question, the answer, and I hope that you get the solution. Guys, I hope you stay crazy just a little bit like me and work your way through to getting to that end resolution. Let's get started.
Let's begin by understanding the 1004 error in VBA. This error typically occurs when there is an issue with the way you're trying to access or manipulate a worksheet or range. In your code, you're looping through all worksheets. However, you are using the select method, which can lead to errors if the worksheet is not activated properly. To fix this, we can modify the code to directly reference the ranges without selecting them. This will help avoid the 1004 error. Additionally, consider using the paste special method instead of ActiveSheet.paste. This can provide more control over how the data is pasted. Finally, always ensure that your target worksheet exists and is correctly referenced in your code. This will help prevent runtime errors. Let's now look at a user-suggested answer. To fix the VBA 1004 error during loop execution, avoid using .select without first activating the worksheet. Instead, use a for each loop to iterate through the worksheet's collection. This way, you can directly work with each worksheet object. To improve your code, focus on proper indentation to reduce errors, remove unused variables, and set values directly using value for efficiency. Also, minimize the use of select and activate, and give your variables meaningful names for clarity. For a comprehensive review of your code, consider posting it on Code Review Stack Exchange for feedback from peers.
And that's it, guys. We've gone through, answered your questions, and hopefully found that solution that you're looking for. If we did, please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until the next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one.